everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a minute, however, I've been busy working Tropical Storm Debbie, now Tropical Storm slash Hurricane Helene, and I've also moved 2 weeks ago. So I'm giving you a glimpse into what I've been doing. Am I exhausted? Yes. So I'm working on decluttering and getting rid of just things that no longer serve me a purpose in this new season in life. So I'm just going to show you all what I'm working with. Brace yourself. All right, so this is the garage area, and again, like I said, we're working on decluttering, getting rid of things that no longer serves a purpose in this new season of life. So this is what I'm tackling. I do have a give pile, and I've started it in this particular section, so we're working with that. And that's where we're starting. I'm just going through totes. I'll be getting rid of things that, again, no longer serve me a purpose in this particular season of my life. I want to extremely declutter and, just start fresh in this particular space. So this won't be a one-day journey. I know that this is going to be a small but lengthy marathon, so stick around and I hope you stay tuned. This is a back patio area which we flipped. Check out our cool design. Explore Liban, which is a restaurant here in local Savannah that does Vietnamese sandwiches, bun sandwiches. But on this particular day, I did not try a sandwich. I actually checked out this quaint little spot and ordered a salad. The space is very long. It's, that's the entire restaurant right here, this space that you see me recording in. I did a online order on this particular day, but then I changed my mind to actually sit inside of the restaurant since there was no one really in there. So this is a brief peek at the menu. The tables were beautifully decorated, and I had the Green Goddess salad, which they made fresh in house. And then one day I had tacos from Orlay, so those were good, and fresh made tacos. That was the vegan chorizo. And then I also noticed they had happy hour. So this morning, in addition to the recovery from the hurricane, We are also dealing with the local strike, which started today for the ILA members. So we're going to see how long this process takes. They are really out here striking, like it's for real. So we're gonna see, guys.